Welcome to my shop again. This is another in the Tuesdays Tips series, and I'm going to show you how I use a laser here. This is a really gnarly piece of burl I've got on here. I'm going to do a hollow form that you'll see in a week or so, but um, wanted to show you what I do as I'm lining things up between centers. I can watch the laser, set the laser on the tool rest and watch the laser point, and gives me information of the circumference of the piece while I'm between centers, and there was a little void that's going to be established there. I can tell where the high spots are and the low spots are. If I want to move it, I can move it all over to capture something like a void, or if I got a high spot on one side that's bigger than the other side, I could move it over. While I'm between centers, I can still maneuver it. If you look at the center where the tailstock is, you can see that I've moved it several times now. You see where I first started in the center of that, where the Forstner bit was there in the middle. So I'm in good now where it's balanced. The high spots are balanced on both sides. The low spots are balanced on both sides. I've got the void where I want it. So now I can start to prepare for my chucking method and my glue block. Thanks for watching. See you next time.